learning colors.
Everything's gray, even my feathers. This feels wrong.
No colors, not one! Forest, what happened? Whoa, wind? What are you trying to tell me? If colors disappeared, I'll bring them back.
Okay, first color, wherever you are, I'm coming.
Hold on, is that red?
Yes. Red, you're alive. Red means strong and bold. In the middle of all the gray, LukaLoo suddenly spotted one tiny, bright yellow banana.
Yellow flowers. You are waking up. Yellow means happy.
Oh, blue, calm as ever.
Hey! Don't splash the owl.
Blue means calm.
Oh, green. You look alive. Green means nature.
Orange feels cozy.
Purple and pink. Magical combo. Come to me. All colors together.
Welcome back, beautiful colors. Hey there, friend. Want to play a color game with me? I'll show you something, and you tell me the color. What color is this balloon?
Yes, great job. That's red.
And now, what color is this duck?
Yes, that's yellow. Well done.
What color is this soft blanket?
Oh,
Correct. That's blue. What color is this apple?
oh.
Yes, that's green. Great job.
What color is this glowing little pumpkin?
That's right, orange. You're amazing. What color is this flower?
Yes,
Purple flower. Perfect. What color is this fuzzy teddy bear?
yes.
A brown teddy bear. Great job. What color is this little stone?
Yes,
A gray stone. Perfect. What color is this shiny little car?
yes.
Yes, a black car. Amazing. Thank you for helping LukaLoo today. You are a color expert now. LukaLoo is so proud of you.
Colors bright, colors new. Learned them all with LukaLoo. Red and yellow, green and blue. Pink and purple joined us too. Wave your wings, say goodbye. Rainbow colors fill the sky. Thanks for playing, thanks for fun. You're the brightest little one. Orange glows in black and gray. You learned every color today. LukaLoo is proud of you. Give a cheer, woo-hoo-hoo. See you soon for more to do. More fun colors with LukaLoo.
See you soon, my feathered friends. Follow my feathers for more curious adventures.